What's good, YouTube, man? Today is the day that I'm picking up the Monte Carlo from BACA Performance. It's been there for about 3 months, somewhere around that way, give or take. But I'm excited. We got great news. The oil pressure, fans, everything is doing what it needs to do. He got fuel in there. Got a few more little small things that I need to buy. But other than that, we'll get to it. But if y'all like Gbodies, classic cars and stuff like that, man, like, share, subscribe. Check out the YouTube channel. Go check out all the other content. And yeah, y'all just stay tuned. Yeah.
You see the pictures I sent?
Yes.
It's all good, man.
Looks good. Looks good.
Just the you gotta go over all the suspension and
Okay.
brakes.
Okay.
It doesn't have brake fluid. The brake lines are not tight, so it needs all that gone through.
Okay.
Engine-wise, you're good to go. Transmission's good to go. Everything's got fluids in it.
You said something about that linkage though to shift it.
Yeah, it needs a shifter linkage. We'll fire it up.
Okay. First fire right here. Woo! Can we put it in neutral right now?
It's in neutral right now.
Okay, so that was my main thing, because I'm finna put it on the rollers and slide it in the back of my shop. Then we'll come back.
It's in neutral.
Yeah. No brakes. That ain't no good. No bueno. No bueno.
Your fans. This is for your fuel pump. Fuel's a little bit dirty.
Okay.
5 gallons in it.
I see you got that inline filter.
Yeah, but it's supposed to be pretty clear. I mean, there's some nasty fuel in there.
Okay.
So I'd say fill it up, man.
Okay.
Just kind of dilute it.
I ain't gonna lie to you, I really don't plan to mess with it until I bring it back. My main thing right now is getting the money. It's gonna stay covered up until I can stack up the money and finish it off. You know what I mean? But I'm glad we got to a point where I can stop.
Yeah.
Great stopping point.
It's a good, yeah.
Dude, that's the first time I done heard this car fire up since 2018.
We got your transmission cooler lines. I mean, custom made them. Going to your cooler on the radiator.
Okay.
Reservoir hooked up. You got your ground strap. There's 4 of those. That's the main ground, so that's a bigger strap. But there's 4 more smaller ones throughout the car. We got this one down here. Frame to body. We have your engine to firewall, and then there's one in the back for gas tank to frame.
Okay.
Oh, another thing with your alternator, I haven't hooked it up. I've got the wiring inside. This, because this is a Vortex style
Yes.
accessory. So this car, or this wiring harness for this car, didn't have this type of alternator. So we have to switch this out to like a one-wire alternator.
Okay.
Because it's got a plug here, but we don't have a plug for that for this chassis.
Okay.
So
that mean the battery won't stay charged?
Right. Not
Okay.
right now.
All right.
Now, because there's no way to control that regulator, because you need the plug here.
Okay.
So if you do a one-wire alternator, it's all built in. All it needs is just the wiring kit that we have.
Okay.
So we'll just have to do that.
Okay.
Probably $130 or something.
Okay.
You got your oil pressure sending unit hooked up. I don't have your temperature sending unit hooked up, so I'm not sure if this is the sending unit. I don't think so. I'm not sure. I'll have to look into that, man, and see which one is for the factory temp gauge.
Okay.
So we just gotta do some research on that.
Okay. It's all there though. For the most part, all the main pieces.
Yeah.
We got power steering on there for sure.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, everything's pretty smooth. I got your battery. I put a battery hold down in it so it doesn't move around.
Okay.
Got your battery cables all set up.
Big old wires, man.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Ooh, we here. Like I said, I ain't heard this car run since 2018, so man, I'm so excited right about now. Just waiting on the tow truck guy now. Yeah, we've been out with his Mustang a little
On the
bit.
transmission side. Then up and down too. This is firewall to the
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, everything's attention to detail, everything's there. It's all solid. We got the breathers on, pull-over return spring on the carburetor.
This that linkage.
Yeah, so that's for the transmission kickdown. So I have to figure out what thread this is.
Okay.
This is your stopper. So pretty much where you set this, it'll stop it there, and then it'll pull it. But
Woo! We're getting it together over here, man. Solo dolo. I'm trying to get everything moved around. Mustang, dually, the Kia, the work. the four-wheelers and the Monte Carlo. Just looking at it, I think it should be straight over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna slide these right here. So then when I'm painting, I could just pull them on out, pull the two four-wheelers on out. But I gotta get rid of some of this stuff, man. Like, some of this stuff gotta go. And I got my stand. I'm gonna put the new bumper on the stand, start prepping it for paint. And yeah, whew, I'm tired. I am tired. But I'm happy. And I got me a new tattoo, and I got my favorite car back, all in one day. So I just connected the battery without letting the windows up. I'm finna let the windows up. He put new cables on there, and so I just disconnected it just now off the terminal. I'm gonna come back and put it back on the terminal so I can let my windows up. So that's how that's gonna go. Oh, man. He did a real good job on the wiring, I can say that much. And it's not all the way there, but the majority of it's there. The car, it fires right up. I'm talking about, man, and it sounds great. Sounds good. Don't have a cam in it, but for what it is, it's okay. Am I expecting it to be super fast? Not at all, but 300 horsepower in the car this light is gonna be plenty for me right now. I'm probably gonna be a little bit closer to 400, but the goal is to get this thing to 500 and still be streetable. And put me some big wheels on the back, some big tires on the back, so I can, some radials. But y'all gonna hear that fuel pump come on. Big fuel pump, man. It's definitely pumping some gas to the front. I'm just gonna let these windows up. I've gotta replace the window motors. All right, I'm gonna cut it off, disconnect the battery again.